Hi, it's Jeff with Sunnyland Patio. Today I'd like to show you how to measure so you know what size to cut your replacement straps. Welcome to my shop. Alright, in order to measure for our vinyl strap, we just have to first determine whether it's a single wrap or a double wrap strap. A single wrap strap will be something, it'll look something like this when it's put on. It's where you can see the fastener and then it just goes over to the other side. The double wrap is actually where we've wrapped again. Usually its hole is on the bottom of the frame and then it'll wrap over itself and cover the fastener. That's what a double wrap is. You can see these straps that we've already completed. They're a double wrapped strap. So in order to measure, we just have to decide whichever the hole is we're going to use, and so we're going to wrap that around from the tape measure to the edge of the hole around to the other side of that hole. So right there we come up with a measurement of 20.5 inches. So with that measurement of 20.5 inches, we're going to reduce that usually at least 10%. So we go with 10%, which will be 2.5 inches, and then we'll go from there. So you try a strap now that's from 20.5 reduced 2.5 inches, which makes it an 18-inch strap. You'll see how that goes on, and if it's either too tight or too loose, you can adjust the rest of your strap sizes from there. So to measure, we want to go where the strap lies on the frame. So in this case, where it's a double wrap and the fastener is on the bottom, we want to start at the first hole, wrap it around just like where the strap lies, bring it around to the other side, and then again it wraps around. It's a double wrap on this case. So we're going to bring it around and come to the end where the hole is, and it's a 25-inch measurement. With that 25-inch measurement, we want to reduce the strap by at least 10%. So let's start with 10%, which is 2.5 inches. On 25 inches, less 10% would be a 22.5-inch strap. We could start with that and at least determine whether it's too long or too short, or if it's just right, and adjust our cut size if needed from that point. Well, I hope this video helps you determine what size to cut your straps. Well, look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching.